Well, good day everybody out there in YouTube land. Yeah, it's just me. Here's a quick little vid. Just boosting my truck up because in August, I know it's a few months from now, there's a car show called Hot August Nights on Vancouver Island. It's held at the golf course. And here, I'll show you what I'm doing. Like I said, not much, just, tinkering up little things, something to do. Here, I'll show you. Okay, as you can see, this is the I don't know, hanger arm, whatever, strut that holds up my tailgate. And as you can see, it's all, weathered and rusted, everything like that. And inside of here ain't the best. But yeah, worse for wear, as they say. Hope you can see this, because I can't. I got the sun all around me and I can barely make out the image in the viewfinder. But anyhow, yeah, so that's what that looked like. And then I just took one from this side, which as you can see, it's all prepped up for painting and everything like that. I just took it all apart and just roughed the hell out of the inside. Sorry about that, folks. I had to talk to a neighbor for a minute. Yeah, so all that's been all prepped, wiped down, everything like that. And the arm, this is it right here. I redid it. This part here, I didn't bother repainting because it moves and everything like that. And same with it here. This slides up and down. I should have repainted this piece. I still may. I may just reshoot this little piece right here. And same with this, because it moves. And all the same on this side. It's been drying now for this is the coming up second day. Oh, well, probably about 24 hours now. So yeah, like you say, no big deal. And I've got to find, and I may have some more of these. Where are we? Right there, right? These pieces right here, because the backing on this is a metal. It's just an L shape metal bracket with a rubber attached to it. So I think I may have some more of those. If not, see if I can order them. But yeah, like I said, no big deal. Just doing little things, what I can. Like you all know, I haven't got a shop. But yeah, all in all, she's not looking bad. I polished up this side. Still gotta get this done. I just gotta get my ass in gear and take it apart. When the weather's here, the good weather's kind of here, it's off and on. I like to take that off and send it away. But yeah, she's pretty good. One day I'll get around to redoing the hood, but hey, like I said, the projects, these things are never really finished. So yeah, I'll get back to finishing this up, and I'll bring you back when it's all done. Yeah, well, my box holds water ever since I recoated it in the corners and everything like that. So that's a good thing. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Well, folks, here's that piece. As you can see, if I can find my finger, I painted that. So, like I said, this isn't painted because that's where it slides. It rotates there. So, if I want to, I can put a little bit of grease in there and don't have to worry about, the paint getting all screwed up. And this here is where it slides to. But yeah, that's pretty good. There's a little bit of a line right there. But, yeah, I can see it. But this came out really well. I'm happy with that. Got a nice straight line down here. Yeah, that came out sweet. Oops. One more little bit of tape right here to take out. See if I can just fucking get that out of there without doing any damage. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Oops. Don't want to touch anything. Not getting it. Yep, got part of it. And yeah, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, it looks okay. It's not perfect, but hey, looks a whole lot better than what it did. Yeah, I like that. I really like that edge there that I showed you. Really clean that up. And then I gotta do the same to this one here. Like I said, I'm gonna have to go online and see if I can find a couple of these. And then I got this one here for this side here on the other side. I guess I'm gonna have to clean that up too. So I painted everything else, why not paint that? So yeah, so it went from this to that. Yeah, I got a couple other little vids I got to post too, so it'll probably maybe be 2 or 3 in a row. But yeah, I'm happy with that. It all look good. Yeah. I may not do that one right away because I need that one there to hold the tailgate up, or just take the whole tailgate off, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. So till later, folks. I hope everybody's having as a beautiful day as it is here. Not sure the temperature. Celsius wise, it's probably about, I don't know, 10 degrees, something like that, maybe a bit more. A little bit of a breeze blowing. But all in all, it's a beautiful day. So, I will let you get back to what you were doing before I disturb you with my video. Okay, everybody? Well, take care, peace out, and have a great day. Bye. Here's that bracket. I cleaned it all up with the wire wheel. And actually, I was going to paint it, but I think I'll just leave it like this. And I was going to clear coat it, but then the clear coat would come off and go yellow and everything like that. This way, if it goes, whatever, rust a little bit, all I gotta do is pop it off and buff it up again. Yeah, it will kind of look good there. Whoops. Yeah, just all bare metal. Cause it's got a nice finish to it. You know, it's not super glossy, it's just a chunk of metal. But yeah, and cleaned up the hardware, just the heads, little brass wheel on that one. But yeah, so it'll all look good once it's all back together again, because that sure beats the hell out of that. I sure hope you can see everything here. Yeah, okay. Yeah. I made them, I shouldn't have painted these. But hey. If I knew then what I know now, yeah. But anyhow, yeah, that's just whatever. And like I said, this is all repainted. Comes out good. So look good when it gets back on. So the hell, like I said, that look there looks a hell of a lot better than what that does in there. So I'll leave you with that, and like I said before, hope everyone's having a great day. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.